ground.
Other places.
Snowflakes dancing, winter's here. Laughing and cheering, full of cheer. Snow fun all day long.
This is the last of the snow.
Building snowmen, singing our song.
2025, melting away.
Snow fun, we play and run. Winter wonderland, so much fun. Rolling snowballs, big and round. A snowman stands tall on the ground. Carrot for the nose, go for the eyes. Happy stuff, he's just the right size.
Okay, guys, Keith's shoveling the snow. Forgot about icicles, and we also learned about car doors being ice shut. He says, "Oh, oh, oh." Okay. Well, anyway, this is Tallahassee, Florida, 2025 snowstorm. It's more like a ice storm. Okay. Thanks. Icicles out there. Icicles there. Icicles there.
Snow fun, we play and run.
About icicles.
Winter wonderland, so much fun. Snow angels spread like so much joy.
Okay, gang, this is what we got this morning. It actually looks more icy than snowy, unfortunately.
Snow fun all day long.
It's not real super fluffy, fun snow. So you gotta be careful making snowballs out there. Okay, this is Tallahassee, Florida. Snow is actually sticking to the ground, but there's rain, sleet, and snow right now. The rail's got basically ice on it. The truck's got more snow. It's 8:39, so I think we're gonna have a lot more snow here soon. All right. Okay, the snow is actually sticking to the ground, but you can see there's more rain, sleet, and snow right now. The rail's got basically ice on it, but the truck's got more snow. It's 8:39, so I think we're gonna have a lot more snow here soon. All right. It's snowing, guys. It just started. It's truly snowing. We've got more sleet than snow, but there's a little snow. All right.
Take a picture and let TikTok pick the song.
Hey, what she look like, bro? Shawty press, shawty fine, yeah.
It's snowing, guys. It just started. It's truly snowing. We got more sleet than snow, but there's a little snow.
Do you want to build a snowman?
All right.